Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry vegetables in a wok. Heat the wok until very hot before adding a thin film of oil and aromatics. Prep all vegetables and sauces within reach so cooking moves fast. Keep heat high and work quickly to preserve color and crunch. Use a spatula to toss constantly and add harder vegetables first, finishing with delicate greens and a splash of sauce. Start by organizing ingredients by cook time so nothing overcooks during the stir-fry. Cut firmer vegetables thinner and softer vegetables chunkier so they finish simultaneously. Have your sauce pre-mixed and close by to add in a single motion. Use high heat and keep moving ingredients with steady tossing to avoid steaming. Finish with fresh herbs or sesame oil for a bright, aromatic touch right before serving. Keep the wok hot and the movements brisk to achieve that signature char while preserving crunch. Add oil, then aromatics, then vegetables in order of density for even cooking. Constantly toss and flip rather than stir slowly to maintain high heat contact. Pour the sauce at the end and toss until it glazes the vegetables. Remove promptly to prevent sogginess and serve immediately for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.